Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
Hi, today we're going to know about how to download Amazon bulk invoices quickly with effective hacks for fast access. Let's start. Bulk invoices download. Use these steps if you need invoices for seller fulfilled orders. Go to Order Reports, Bulk Invoices Download. Click on Bulk Invoices Download. Select the days with the help of date range. Select the transaction type shipment, cancel, refund, E-invoice cancel, FV removal, other many more. After that, click on Request Invoice tab. You will see a download link for all selected transaction type invoices. Bulk Amazon Service Fee Invoices. Use these steps if you need invoices for Amazon's fees, referral fees, FBA storage, etc. Go to Reports, Tax Document Library. Select the Seller Fee Invoices tab. You will see a list of monthly invoices. Unlike customer invoices, these are typically issued monthly. You must click View or Download next to each monthly statement. Thanks for watching. PLS like and share this video, and for more informative videos subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.